If you have encountered AlgosOne, you're probably looking for a platform that makes automatic crypto trades without the need for any manual input. What's even better about AlgosOne is that it's extremely easy to set up. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and take you through the process of setting up your account and navigating the platform to unlock its full potential. Now, setting up an AlgosOne account is simple, fast, and straightforward. Here are some simple steps that you will be required to follow. You can start by visiting the official website of AlgosOne with your preferred web browser or on any device, whether it's a desktop or a phone. Once you are on the AlgosOne homepage, you will see a Get Started button. Click on it to start the account registration process. When on the registration page, you'll be required to provide some basic information to gain access to AlgosOne. The first step is to provide your email address. Please provide a valid and accessible email for communication purposes, account updates, and to receive notifications from AlgosOne. Step 2 is to provide a secure password. After creating a strong password, you'll be required to confirm it. Please make sure you use a unique and strong password that you haven't used anywhere on social media platforms. After submission, you'll receive an email on the email address that you have provided when signing up. After that, you'll click on Agree to Terms and Conditions of AlgosOne. Then click Next to verify your account. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm that it's your account. To proceed further, you'll be required to provide some additional information for identity verification. This includes proof of identity, where you'll need to provide a government-issued ID like driver's license or passport or any other document that can confirm your identity. The other one is proof of address, where you provide a recent bank statement or utility bill to verify your residential address. Once you submit the documents, AlgosOne's verification team will review them in comparison with the information you provided when signing up to ensure that they're accurate and authentic. If the verification process is successful, your account will be marked as verified. This status shows that your information and identity are authentic. With that, your AlgosOne account is created, and you can explore the services and the features offered by the platform. These include AI-powered auto trading, access to broader financial markets, and one-click trading. To have a smoother and faster verification process, consider the following tips. 1. Provide clear documents. This ensures a quicker review process, facilitating a seamless verification. 2. Use updated documents that reflect your current information. Using outdated documents may cause some delays in the verification process. 3. Double-check your information to ensure that it matches the details provided during registration before submission. Now that you have signed up, let's shift our focus to how you can navigate the platform as a trader. Now, your AlgosOne account dashboard is the central hub that offers you a comprehensive overview of your portfolio and trading activities. Let's now check the key components of AlgosOne dashboard. This is the first section you see after logging in. It presents information such as account trading balance. Here you can see your total balance for investment and trading. Checking account balance shows all the profits you have earned so far on the platform. It also shows the amount of shares you're holding. Reserve fund capital shows the total amount that AlgosOne has available as a reserve to protect your funds in case of a loss. The second main part is the profit charts. This valuable tool tracks your trading performance over the past days. It has different clickable tabs like All, Referrals, Auto-Approved Trades, One-Click Approved Trades, and Dividends. The other one is the Last AlgosOne Trades. This section helps you stay informed about recent trades executed by AlgosOne's AI system. Current account tier is another section that helps you track your current account tier and progress towards the next level. In the open trade section, you can monitor your active trades, including their status, volume, and details, which will help you stay informed about your investments. The closed trades chart section also helps you review your closed trades history. Then we have the balance page, which you can access through the main menu. Here you'll find Trading Balance part, which offers you a breakdown of total balance and trading balance. On the balance history, you'll see all the records of deposits and withdrawals. You will also see the shares balance page section that displays your shares balance amount, total shares, shares history, and reserve fund amount. Last but not least, we have a checking account balance page. Here, you can manage your earnings efficiently with features for checking account balances, reinvestment, share purchases, and withdrawals, ensuring a seamless control over your finances. Let's now take you through the process of trading on the platform. Note that before you start trading, you need to fund your account with a minimum of $300 using the provided methods on the platform. Now, when you click the third section, it will open the trading page. After opening the page, you will see a trading profit chart, which has a graph that helps you track your profits and performance. You can select the time frame you want to track from the current day to all time, depending on what you want to track. You can also place the cursor on the graph to see auto-approved, one-click, and bank-approved trades. Now, right below the profit chart, you will see the trading operations section, where you can see your current trading strategy and trading settings section. Click on the trading settings to access risk profile and signal scheduler tabs. Remember, our algorithms are engineered to fine-tune your trades based on your chosen risk profile so that you can count on consistent results. Now, let's take a look at how you can set your risk profile. In this section, you will find the available risk profiles, that is low risk and standard risk, which you will choose based on your investment goals and risk tolerance level. After the settings, click Save and Confirm to apply your risk profile. Please note that you can only adjust your changes once every 7 days to maintain the consistency and stability in your trading journey. If you wish to change your risk profile, you can just follow the same steps we have used to select a new risk profile from the available options and save your changes. The other feature is Signal Scheduler. This customizable trade signal window feature offers users the flexibility to customize their window for receiving trade signals according to their preferences. Users can select a specific time frame within a single day to receive signals, ranging from 12 at night to 11:59 p.m. Simply choose a window of at least 8 hours within a single day during which the trader wishes to receive trade signals. Please note that the selected signal window must remain within a single day and cannot span 2 calendar days. After all that is said, you will see a trade search feature that shows current trades on your AlgosOne account. You can also see Tier Up, which we will look at later, and Open Trade options. Just beside it, you'll see a trading calculator showing you your current tier and the profits. And finally, the closed trades. The other page is Account Tier. On AlgosOne, your trading journey goes beyond just one account tier. The platform has a tiered system that is designed to reward your growth and trading activity. It offers you a chance to reach higher tiers and enjoy exclusive benefits. Your account tier simply shows your initial deposit in USD and your trading activity. You can see a dedicated section displaying your tier and progress. This section also shows the number of trades allowed in current tier and the next tier. You can also see the full tiers table with all the information about each tier, like the points, timer, commission, and profits in the last 30 days and a year, respectively. But how do you advance to the next tier? Well, that's very simple. All you need to do is to increase your initial deposit. A higher deposit shows that you have confidence in the system, unlocking access to higher tiers with greater benefits. Now, let's take a look at what the referral page has in store for us. AlgosOne has a referral program that offers traders a mutually beneficial opportunity to earn rewards after successfully inviting their friends and acquaintances to join AlgosOne community. Once you're in the referral section, you'll see your referral details. Your personal referral link will be displayed in the referral section. And what you'll need to do is simply click on it to copy it to your clipboard. You can use it to invite your friends to join AlgosOne and earn some rewards. It is worth noting that you can track successful referrals in this section. I know you'll be eager to monitor your referrals' progress once you have introduced them to AlgosOne. The referral section allows you to access real-time updates on your successful referrals. This section includes a referral history table that provides a comprehensive record of all your successful referrals. Cool, right? With that said, let's now focus on achievement page. Here, you can achieve educational targets and perform affiliate tasks, participate in AlgosOne community, and make referrals to earn stars. Besides that, this page allows you to see the achievements you have made so far and the star balance. Scroll down to see all you can achieve and what you'll have to achieve out of 52 scores. The other page is the marketplace page. Here, you can click on the marketplace, which opens the TradesBank trade table. The table outlines some information you can easily go through to choose the trade bank you want to purchase using your earned stars. The last page is the withdrawal page. To withdraw your funds, you'll need to fill in some details that will appear on your screen, including the currency that you want to use, and then click withdraw once you're done. A withdrawal verification code will be sent to the email that you provided. Enter the code in the activation code section and click confirm. The withdrawal request will be displayed under my account. Also, note that you can do this anytime. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you want to keep up to date with the latest developments of the platform, make sure to follow our social media channels. The links are in the description.
The AI revolution is here. Don't miss out. Join now.